Hello traders, it's your one and only Forex coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited to have you all here today on this one. All right, I know I've been giving you guys bumper to bumper ways to make money online, and a lot of people have been like, Tim, are you still the Forex trader? Oh, yeah, you need to understand one thing. It is important for you to always cast your bread upon many waters, as the Bible says, and also an adage says, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." So I needed to understand that apart from forex trading, there are still many ways to make money online, and that is why in this channel I give you to you guys bumper to bumper different ways to make money online. So in case if this is your first time on my channel, why not hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you be the first to always get notified anytime I release an update of how to make money online. All right, today in this video, I'll be talking about how you can build a profitable strategy as a forex trader. Do you know that without you having a good strategy in your forex career, it is going to be very difficult for you to be successful? Apart from many other things apart from many other things that are added to forex trading, like your psychology, your strategies, your discipline, and all the rest. All right. Having a good strategy is also one of the biggest things that you must put in place. Now, I know a whole lot of you see people tell you, oh, I have this strategy, I have the holy grail, this and that. And you kind of like ask yourself, which of the strategy do I use? How do I even have my build my own strategy? In this video today, I will teach you how to build a profitable strategy. All right, so let us get started. So guys, for you to be able to build a strategy, you need to first of all ask yourself what have you learned in the forex market. You then, when you think about the things you've learned in the forex market, you want to put them together in order to build a strategy. Look, a strategy is not built by, oh, I want to buy from here, I want to sell from here. No, a strategy is built by what you've learned, the information you've gathered from the east, west, north, and south, and you put them all together at the middle, and then you create your own strategy. I hope you understand that fact, guys. So let's say, for instance, you have learned support and resistance, you have learned candlestick patterns, you have learned chart patterns, you have learned Fibonacci strategy, you have learned trend line strategy, you have learned, let's say, supply and demand, you have even learned smart money concept, you have learned so many strategies. But one thing is this: if you want to begin to trade the market with all the whole strategy, you will still not be successful. Why do I say so? Because this is you trying to put many strategies, or this is you trying to trade with so many strategies every single day. You keep changing from one strategy to another, and you see yourself ending up losing your money over and over again because you are not consistent. Let me tell you guys, when it comes to the forex market, consistency is a thing. Consistency is a thing. If you are not consistent in one particular thing, trader, you would not be able to be successful in that thing. And that's just one thing. Now you guys would notice now and then I give you guys videos on different ways to make money online, but this wasn't what I was giving you guys before. I used to give you guys strictly forex strategies, forex this, forex that, but now I'm beginning to give you guys something new right in this same channel. Why is that? Because I spent a lot of time, a lot of years learning my forex, and now that I've become good in my trading career, I can now proceed into other new things, and it also gives me joy to teach you guys the new things that I learn every single day. That is why, if you see my previous video, I taught you guys how to create a PayPal account, because I have seen that in this online space, there are so many businesses, there are so many things you can do to make money online, and most of them do pay through PayPal. And that is why I said to myself, why not I teach these guys how to create a good PayPal account? And then also at the same time give you guys ways and ideas to make money online so that you can always try out something new, guys, and see the one that will be profitable for you, and you start making money. So you want to make sure you join my community where I give tips and ideas on how to make money online, and also you want to join my forex trading community. All right, so that's for that, guys. So how do you build a strategy? So for instance, in this illustration, I'll be using just three different strategies. Okay, so I'll be using the support and the resistance strategy, I'll be using the chart pattern strategy, and I'll be using the Fibonacci strategy. Just these three strategies I will put them together to build one strategy. Understand what I'm doing now, right, guys? I'm going to bring three different strategies together and do what? Put them together to build a strategy. I'm not going to have to trade with these strategies differently. I will have to put them together to build one strategy. The mistake traders do is they want to see, once they see price at resistance, they sell instantly. Oh, they want, because they want to trade with the support and resistance strategy. And a lot of other traders, once they just see double top, they sell instantly because they are trading with the chart pattern strategy. And some, once they see Fibonacci at 50%, they sell instantly because they are trading with the Fibonacci strategy. No, why not put all these things together and create three different confluence in one strategy? Remember, I used to tell you guys that your confluence is your confidence to take your trade. When I say confluence, I mean your reasons to trade. Trader, if you don't have at least 2 to 3 reasons to buy that market, don't buy it. If you don't have at least 2 to 3 reasons to sell that market, don't sell it. Because if you place a sell and I come and ask you, why did you sell from here? And you're not able to give me 3 good reasons why you sold, it means you don't know what you're doing in the market. And that is why at the end of the day, people would say Forex is gamble. Forex is a gamble. No, this Forex market is not a gamble thing. When you know what you're doing in the market, it becomes an investment for you. But when you don't know what you're doing in the market, then it becomes a gamble. You're just buying anywhere to see if it's go in your favor. Okay. So we'll be using just three different strategies to build a strategy. So how do you do that? Number one, this is what we're going to do. So we all understand the concept of market structure, that price ought to create higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low on a bullish trend. Okay. So whereby the market failed to continue where it ought to have continued its higher high, next higher high from here. Probably it should have stopped here to create the next bullish move. But in this case now, price disrespected market structure heading to the downside. This is where you ask yourself, what is happening? And then you start bringing all your strategies in place. All right. Since it's a bullish trend, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. Now, this is what I would do as a trader. Number one, I would bring out my support. This is a support level. Since this level has been broken, this is where I am anticipating is coming to support level. All right. So I want to draw out my zone right there and waiting for when price would come there. Support level, support and resistance strategy has taken place already. Now, number one, support and resistance strategy has just taken place already here. Okay. Number two, my next strategy I'm waiting for is a chart pattern. All right. So probably I see price coming and coming and coming and has hit my support level. As it hits my support level, what am I having? I'm having a first top here. I'm having a second top here, which is what? Double. Sorry, I'm having a first bottom here and I'm having a second bottom here, which is what? Double bottom chart pattern. Two strategies have played. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is to check out my Fibonacci. Can my Fibonacci also give me a confluence to give me more confidence for this trade? So since it's a bullish trend, I will just have to put my Fibonacci 2 from the bottom and drag straight to the top and see, can I have Fibonacci on at least a 50 or a 61.8% zone? Now looking at this, I can see Fibonacci is currently between my 61.8% to 50% zone. That's three confluence. Now, all I need to do as a trader is to confidently place that buy from there. All right. So I'll just have to place a bullish position there, having my stop loss right below. All right. Having my stop loss right below the market structure. Okay. And then anticipate a higher move to probably the resistance I was anticipating price to get to. Okay. And then allow price to do what it wants to do. Sometimes you see price play around before it to begin the real move. Okay. But in this case, what am I teaching you? How to put these three different strategies together. Very important, trader. Do not ever trade the market without your confluences. At least have 2 to 3 or more. Don't just have one don't just have one confluence. Take note, what I'm teaching you here is not you having three strategies at once. I'm teaching you how to have one strategy but three confluences. Understand the logic. All right, that is one thing you need to know. I will see you guys on my next video to teach you even more and deeper things that you need to learn. But with what I've just taught you, I want you to go straight to your chart and practice something. Practice. Ask yourself, what strategy have I learned so far in my forex journey? I want to begin to put them together and see how I can use them to create one strategy. Do you like this video, trader? Why not smash the like button and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out my subsequent videos on my so that you don't miss out my subsequent videos that relates to forex market. Do you like this video, trader? Why not smash the like button to show your love, and also leave a nice comment. Whatever you're facing in your forex challenge, leave it on the comment section so that I can use it to know what to create next for you guys and even teach you more to your understanding. So you make use of the comment section. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss out any of my video, because in this channel, I post forex related content and also content that helps you make money online. Anything making money online is here in this channel. So traders, let me hear from you now. What do you think? What are you facing? And what do you want me to talk about next in my next video? And I'll see you on the top. For the meantime, stay safe and keep winning.